Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Carlos. I'm Neat. I show today's video. I am going to explain how to redirect data from the Elementor form to the redirect page or thank you page. Okay? What we are going to achieve is that when we fill in the data of a form, por lo tanto vamos a gmail.com. Okay, here we are going to fill in when we send it. It will collect data from the form and we can customize the response from the page. Thank you with the data we have collected. For example, name and email. But apart from that, we can do it with any of the data we collect from the event form, well before getting into what the tutor is, as always, or the content I make. You will like it. You will subscribe to the channel. You will activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. And also, if you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comments. Okay, we are there. On the one hand, I have the page where the form is, and on the other, we have the page where we create the redirect. Okay, so what am I going to do? First, I'm going to create a form. Okay, I'm going to insert the form. In principle, we are now going to do it only with the data. That is with the fields that the form generates by default. Okay? And then let's go insert HTML widget. Look at it. We insert it into the form. And here we are going to paste this code. Okay? For anyone who is interested in leaving a link in the description so that they can purchase it, we paste it here. And the only thing that needs to be modified from this code is the redirect URL. Okay, so we copy the redirect URL. Okay, we come here and here we modify the URL. Okay, in my case, it's going to be the same. Okay, then we publish and now we leave to the thank you page. Okay, and here we are going to put an HTML widget. Okay. And inside the HTML widget, we are going to paste this. We copy and paste it. Okay? In fact, so that you can see the difference between before and after, I'm going to add. What do I add? It doesn't matter. I loved it. Okay? It's actually so you can see the difference that it works. Okay? I'll keep it. Okay? And now I come to my form and fill it out. Okay? Let's put other names. Kevin here, kevin@hotmail.com. And re-inauguration, okay, we send redirect. And here we see how it saves our name. It brings us the name and email from the form. So now to do it with other custom fields that you have made, okay, well, we are going to go to the form, okay, and we are going to create a new field that we are going to collect the phone. Okay, here I'm going to change the phone labels on the marker. I'm also going to tell you phone, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to modify the IDI. Are we going to put a phone on it? Okay. From here, we won't have to do anything else. Simply do the additional fields in which we want to collect data that we then display on the We Publish page. Okay? And now I'm going to the page. I'm going to remove this now to the misfortune page. Okay, this is where we have the custom code. But to work a little better, I'm going to do it from the notepad. Okay, this would be the custom code we pasted before. Okay, so what we're going to do, the first thing we do is double this constant line. Okay? And we stick it, okay? And here we are going to change the constant by telephone. And here in the four fields, we are going to give the ID that we have put in the field, which in this case is also a telephone. The next thing we are going to do is duplicate the line esta of if email document ready by ID. So wow, I hope it's not worth copying. Okay, so here in the if we are going to change email by phone. Here where we define the ID, we are going to change the email by phone, and here behind where it says mail, we are also going to change it by phone. And then to show the data that the phone field collects, I am going to duplicate this H3. I have put one H3, but you can do it one H2, one F, 4, one A. P. The only thing you have to define the ED is worth the ED. You define the ID, you define here. Okay, so here we will modify the ID for the phone. Okay, the header phone, and here we are going to change the text. Okay, here we change the text for the name, the text before the name, the text before the email, and the text before the phone are valid. And we're going to tell him, for example, to say we'll contact this phone. Okay? And that would be all. We just copy. Do we come to the page where we have the thank you page, okay? And modify the public okay code. And now I come to my form page, okay? It will also pick up the phone field for us and show us the thank you page. Update. Okay. I'm gonna put the name Raymond. Correo Raymond error Gmail. On phone or chance. Okay, and we give it to send, okay? And here we see the name that has collected it in the form, the email that has collected it from the form, and also the phone is fine. And if we had another custom field, what we would have to do is repeat the steps I have done now here. In the end, okay. Well, I hope you liked the video that helped you. If so, remember, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell for the civil. Not typical city of future videos, doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.